Hey everyone! Have you ever looked at your gadgets and thought, I wish I could build a power bank that could keep these charged for days? Well, today we're going to do just that. I'm going to show you how to make your very own 12V battery pack using 18650 lithium-ion cells. If you have a few of these batteries lying around, or you're just curious about how to create a powerful custom battery pack, you're in the right place. Now, before we dive into the details, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some battery packs seem to last forever while others just can't keep up? It all comes down to the build quality, the configuration, and knowing a few tricks of the trade. Today, I'll walk you through everything step by step, from choosing the right cells to wiring them up in a 37P configuration. We'll cover balancing the cells, connecting them safely, and making sure your pack is efficient and reliable. This might sound technical, but don't worry. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a total beginner, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a fully functional battery pack, but you'll also understand how to get the most out of it. Imagine powering up your devices knowing that you built the battery yourself. It's a pretty awesome feeling. So, stick around, because we're about to get hands-on with this project. I'll share some tips and tricks along the way to ensure your battery pack is as efficient, safe, and long-lasting as possible. We're going to make sure that by the end, you'll not only know how to build one, but you'll have the confidence to take on more complex projects in the future. Thanks for joining me on this build. If you enjoy this kind of content and want to see more, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And hey, if you have any questions or want to share your own DIY battery experiences, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Let's get started.